guys, welcome back to today's video. So I realized I did not share with you my IPSY unboxing, and this is for July. So I'm gonna share with you guys what came inside my IPSY box, as well as the little like bags that they come with, because they always give these little like extra samples and stuff. So let's get on into it. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's open up the July IPSY bag. I'm gonna first with this little bag that they sent over, just because it's literally the first thing that I grabbed. And if you guys still like these unboxings, let me know. So, oh yes, I needed this so bad. It's called Refreshments 5-Blade Razor Kit. How did they know I needed a new razor? I literally was going to buy a flamingo razor tomorrow. I have like the worst luck with razors. They're either too dull or I completely cut my leg. Like I have such bad cuts on my leg from hurting myself with razors. So let's see what this one looks like. With a citrus pillowy shave cream. That is awesome. Vegan, free of parabens, nut oils, and sulfates, and it's cruelty free. And it has shea butter, lemon fruit, and olive oil. So I have not had a shaving cream in so long. I usually use conditioner, which honestly I don't recommend because it cuts up your legs really bad. I've just been lazy in buying like any sort of shaving cream. Cute, she cute. It's like purple. I'm losing things. They sent another one of these cute baggies. These are actually cute to re-gift. So let's see what samples. I'm going backwards. Usually I show you guys the samples at the end. Now I'm showing you guys the samples in the beginning. This is Seraphine Cosmetics Liquid Kohl Liquid Eyeliner. Okay. I'm hoping that this is a pen eyeliner because those are my personal favorites. Let's open her up and see. Ta-da! Oh, womp womp. It's a felt tip. Okay. Sad about that, but I will probably end up giving this to someone else because I personally prefer to have pens. This really cute Lottie London 4-piece eyeshadow quad. This is so cute. It's called the Rose Gold. This is a fun little palette for traveling. Ooh, okay. We have an e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is actually really cool. I've always wanted to try the Power Grip Primer. I've heard great things. So it says it helps even skin tone, and it is a clear gel primer. It does have 4% niacinamide, which makes me so nervous, you guys, because niacinamide, every time I use something with niacinamide, I get these like intense whiteheads. I don't know why. And some people, niacinamide works so well for them. It's literally in like majority of like every skincare product nowadays. I guess it must be like a cheap ingredient that usually works well for people, but it just doesn't work well for my skin. So I'm like kind of sad because I wanted to use this. I'm gonna have to read reviews and see if anyone else like broke out from this. This is an awesome like little surprise. We have this Mud Masky. That's the brand, Mud Masky Vitamin A Booster French Clay Mask. Then we have a brush from Toy Factory. Okay, I never heard of that brand, but it's the blending brush. It's just like looks like a crease brush. Hopefully my camera's not washing it out, but yeah. The brush is actually really cute. It's like kind of clear, like holographic clear. Okay, first product is the Verb Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar. I actually just used up an entire exfoliating product, the one that I got in a previous box from Drunk Elephant. I have a replacement for that one, and it has AHA, moringa seed oil, grapefruit extract, and biotin. Okay, awesome. Very excited about this. No parabens, no gluten, no sulfates, and it says it's a lightweight nectar-like serum, gentle enough for all scalp. AHAs help get dead skin build up for a clean, refreshed scalp. Okay, next product, we have this. Oh, I love this brand, Rhode Isle. This is the Brightening Vitamin C Cleanser to brighten and renew. Hi, Oliver. Oliver wants to sit on my lap. Vitamin C products. I'm like a vitamin C junkie in the morning, so I will definitely be using this along with my other vitamin C products. Vitamin C is known for like brightening the skin and getting rid of dead skin cells. Next product, we have this Wing Me. I don't know this brand, but it's a clear brow gel. Again, hopefully this isn't washed out. Wing Me. And it is cruelty-free and vegan. There's no formaldehyde, no mineral oil. Okay, cool. Keeps brows in place, matte formula. I will definitely try this. I have crazy brows that need to be tamed, so I need all the brow gels. I've actually been doing the like spiked up brow trend, so I've been kind of pushing my brows up, and I actually really like it. I think it's a cute look. Next product, we have Lucky Chick, another brand I have never heard of. Lucky Chick. It's the Lip and Cheek Multi-Stick in Lucky Days with rosehip, seed, jojoba, and shea butter. I think they spelled rosehip wrong. That's cute. It's kind of like marbly pink. That's fun. It kind of reminds me of like nude sticks type of vibe. Product in the box, you guys. No stinking way. You guys, looky. Oh, it's broken. That's so sad. Oh my gosh, this one's like really broken. Well, I was super excited. Hopefully I can kind of salvage what's in here. But this is the Natasha Denona, you guys. Natasha Denona Fez 5. The 5 eyeshadow palette in Fez. This is so fun. I'm just really sad that she got broken. It must have happened in transit. So like this one right here is broken. This is an interesting color scheme. I've never heard of this palette. I don't like stay too up to date with like the Natasha Denona releases, so I don't know this one, but it's kind of funky, right? I like it. We have, oh, it's already spilling out. The thing I have from Natasha Denona, I have gotten from IPSY or BoxyCharm, which is so cool because it's a really expensive brand. Like I wouldn't purchase it on my own, so it kind of makes it worth it to get these boxes. A shimmery brown, a shimmery gold, a orange, this like funky sapphire blue, and then this like interesting kind of orangey yellow color. So I mean, not my kind of shadow palette that I would like reach for, but I mean, I'm not opposed to trying this. So it's just a shame that she broke. This eyeshadow palette is made in Italy. A way to end the unboxing. This was such a fun unboxing. I love when we get stuff from Natasha Denona. I was like, you guys know, really excited about the razor. So I thought all in all, this was a great box. Let me know what you guys think. And I don't know the retail prices because they don't put them like on the pamphlet like BoxyCharm does. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think these videos are just like quick and fun, and it's always like cool to get a surprise. It's like Christmas. So I hope you guys like this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Oliver's running around like crazy. He's so hyper. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.